As Ken Robinson says, no school is better than its teachers. For us, this also means that no educational organisation can be better than the teachers who bring its content into the classrooms. That is why, at Innovamat, we dedicate a great deal of effort to support our teachers and to ask them what they truly need. An annual action we take is a general survey where over 7,000 educators respond from different educational stages and from all the countries where we are present. Now, Mark will explain to us the brief conclusions for 2023 and 2024.
We have reached two very significant and positive conclusions. On a comprehensive scale from 0 to 10, educators consistently rate the likelihood of enthusiastically recommending Innovamat to their fellow teachers and colleagues at a remarkable score of more than 7. Furthermore, the overwhelming majority of these educators perceive the profound impact of Innovamat in an exceptionally positive light, benefiting both their students' learning and their own continuous professional development.
But the most interesting part comes when we start to analyze the nuances of the study. First, we see that teachers do not rate in the same way the impact that Innovamat has on learning more or on learning in a more significant manner. This leads us to think that some people distinguish between learning in a more quantitative way, that is, learning more content, and learning in a more qualitative way, that is, better understanding what is being done and learning in greater depth. What we are seeing is that, especially in the area of learning in a more qualitative way, educators evaluate the impact that Innovamat has in a very positive manner. Secondly, teachers perceive that working with mathematics through Innovamat brings significant benefits for their own teaching practice, specifically in the learning process of mathematics itself and also in the methodologies of how to effectively teach it. But not only that, these advantages extend even to other subjects. And it makes perfect sense, absolutely. The training provided through rich, engaging activities, suitable scaffolding techniques, and productive classroom dialogue provides them with essential tools they can readily transfer to any academic subject. The ultimate conclusion drawn is that the longer educators have been utilizing Innovamat, the more favorably they assess the program. This indicates their perception significantly improves with continued practice, especially from the first to the second year of implementation. This is most likely because, once they are more thoroughly trained and prepared, they tend to feel much more confident, and this significantly helps to reduce their initial friction with the program.
As you can see, these surveys demonstrate to us that the move towards a significant and reflective learning approach is well received by educators because of the positive impact it has on students and on their own teaching methods. And they also show us that we must continue to support our educators because they truly are the heart and soul of everything we accomplish at Innovamat.